Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Hyundai i30 active wagon, stock reference number 5264. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2014. It has a D4FB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. D4FB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand fog light with surround, daytime running light type, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right-hand rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, both right-hand doors appear to have no damage, right guard appears to have no damage, right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, auto center console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack colour screen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.